Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi and welcome to this video. This is a haul video. This is the mini catalogue from January to June 2021 and it goes live on the 5th of January. If you want a copy of this catalogue, please just send me a message below or click onto my website and click on the contact me button and you can request one. This catalogue goes from January until June, and for the next 2 months we're also in sale-a-bration, which is one of the most fabulous times of the Stampin' Up year. And sale-a-bration is for every £45 you spend, you can choose an item that's free in the sale-a-bration catalogue. So this whole video focuses on everything in the mini catalogue, and then there'll be one after this which is going to show you some of the stuff out of the sale-a-bration catalogue. So let's get started, because that's what you want to see. You want to see the nice goodies, don't you? Okay, so these are bundles. So when you buy the stamp set and accompanying die or punch as a bundle, you save 10%. So this is one of these. This is Pretty Perennials. There you go. So let me just sort of park those up there. Then you've got this one that says Forever and Always, and then you've got here Love Always, and you've got the same sentiments here as die cuts. I love the big bold fonts here. Okay, then what have we got here? Oh, this is really cool. This is called Snailed It. As you can see, you've got these cute little male snails, and then you've got the matching die set, including this lovely little envelope to make this baby envelope, which is great for scrapbooking, mini albums, all sorts of stuff, just for decoration. Then we've got this one called Brushed Strokes, and it has the matching stamp set, of course. And I love these brush strokes here, because these make really simple, lovely backgrounds. And this as well here. I love the sentiment here. Let's paint the town as long as I'm home by 9 o'clock. That's me, definitely. I like to get to bed early. I don't like staying up too late. This one is in blue. And I like, again, the fonts here. And you have such a huge variety here of die cuts. I absolutely love it. We're definitely going to be using this in my monthly card club. I run a monthly card club online in my Facebook group, and we meet once a month via Facebook Live to craft together, so do check that out. This one is Hydrangea Haven. Now these stamps here are shown at 75% of their actual size, so I'll open up the set for you to see the actual size there of the set, which is really cool. And of course the matching dies, so put that there. Then I've got one punch here with a set here called Swedish Strawberry. You've got the matching doodahs there. I've got a couple of other punches. I love this one here, and I'd love them to do this in circles and squares. And this is the double oval punch, and this one is called the Treasure Tags Pick a Punch. I'm sorry about the glare and the crinkly noise. I haven't taken the cases off that yet, because when I do take them off, I use my label maker and I make a little label and I put it on the punch to say what it is, and then if I have classes or if I ever want to sell them or whatever might happen, I always know what punch it is, instead of just looking at it and thinking, where does this go? This is a die I bought. I don't know what it's called, but I will tell you. It is an amazing die set. It's called the Flowering Vines die, and you can see you get these two here, and then you get that as well. Really pretty. It does have a matching stamp set, but I didn't want the stamp set, so I just got the dies. I wanted to use these dies mainly for backgrounds. I thought they would just be so cute. So you've got that. I've got a few more stamps to show you. This one, Happy Thoughts. Now, I'm a sucker for a great sentiment stamp, and I love these sentiments. Today is great because it's all about you, the great person you are, the great things you do. And this one, the little things you do so well and so often make a big difference to so many people. I love it. We've got this lovely background stamped, Wild Roses. And then we've got this one, I think I've shown you before, Garden Wishes. Okay. So those were my stamp sets. So now I'm going to show you quickly some embellishments from the set that I've got here. This one is the Gilded Leafing. And we've got this lovely gold gilded flakes. I'm not going to take them out because otherwise they will just go everywhere, but definitely going to be using these in future videos, so watch out for that. I've got these little heart charms here. I'll open them up for you. We can open them up together. See, gorgeous little heart charms. I think they're just lovely. If you know how to do it, these will make great earrings as well. And then 2 ribbons that you can see here. One is Gorgeous Grape, this one's Gorgeous Grape, and this one is Blackberry Bliss. Okay. And then we have some Resin Hearts. You can see in the red and the white hearts. And then we have these most gorgeous pastel pearls. Look at those. Aren't those to die for? I mean, they're just lovely. Okay, then next thing I want to show you is these little boxes. These are the lovely Always treat boxes. So you have here, and we'll be using this as well in a future video to make these lovely little treat boxes. It comes as a kit, and you get 10 of them in the kit. Okay, so now I'm going to show you quickly some paper that we have. I'll just bring it in one at a time. Let me just take the plastic off. I'm sorry about the noise. This is the True Love Designer Series paper. And I'll just put it here, and then you can see we've got the different designs. So you can see them. I love this stripe. It's so pretty. And these ones would be beautiful to fussy cut out. Then you just got the polka dot. And then you've got all these little tiny flowers and the stripe. And of course more to cut out if you wish. Really pretty. And then you've just got that pattern. And then that one there. Okay. This is a black and white pattern. So very chic. So we have that. Okay. And then let's bring in the next one. Now this one is the Hydrangea paper, and it matches that, what's it actually called? Hydrangea Hill Designer Series paper, and it matches that stamp set and dies that I showed you. So you have this wonderful hydrangeas. I'm definitely going to do a scrapbook page with these because we have hydrangeas in the garden in the summer, and I have plenty of pictures of them, so this will be perfect for it. Look at these. I just love these indigos and blues. It's so pretty. There we go. And these would make beautiful, if you cut these in half, make beautiful, you know, this would just make a lovely bottom for your card. So there you go. And if you want to know the colours in that one, you've got Gorgeous Grape, Highland Heather, Misty Moonlight, Mossy Meadow, Old Olive, Rococo Rose, Seaside Spray and Whisper White. So really, really pretty. Whoops. And then this one, hang on. Sorry about the noise. It got stuck. Look at these little snails. Now this matches again that stamp and dice that I showed you. And again, you could cut these out. Okay. You've got these, they're so cute. You've got the toadstools here. These lovely hearts, perfect for Valentine's. This is my all-time favourite. I love it, absolutely love it. And then what else have we got? Got that, and that says hello, bonjour, hello. So this is the Snail Mail Designer Series paper, and the colours here are Basic Grey, Bermuda Bay, Blushing Bride, Daffodil Delight, Real Red and Whisper White. So those are they. Then I've got here some other paper I want to show you. If I can get them out, that is. This is the Love You Always foil sheets. And they're not white, they're this beautiful colour. Look at these. Oh, look at the shine on that. Hey? Hey, hey. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. And you get 6 pieces, as you can see here. Really, really pretty those are. So those are them. So that is everything. That is everything I got from this catalogue. Did I not do well? I am so happy. I can't wait to put this away and start playing with it and show you projects from it. It's just going to be so much fun. So as I said, if you want a copy of this catalogue, just send me a message below or pop onto my website and click on the contact me button and request one. All the information will be in the description box below. So sorry, one extra thing I wanted to show you, it's this. It's a Stampin' Emboss machine, the mini one, and it goes live from the 5th of January. And I just wanted to show you, it folds down like this, and then you get all, it comes with all the plates you need. You get your base plate, your 2 cutting plates, and your embossing plates as well. So it comes with everything here you need, and I can't wait to use this and play around with this first. And when I've done this, I'm going to do a little video showing you how it works and giving you all the ins and outs, all the tips and tricks of how to use it. But I really wanted to share this with you. It is mega lightweight. Look at that, just one finger. It is so lightweight, it really is good. It's still good and sturdy, it's not going anywhere, so I'm really pleased with this. So I got this as a half price item because my order was quite large, so I'm really pleased. So I just wanted to share it with you because it is the highlight of my order. So again, thank you again for watching. As I said before, if you want a copy of the catalogue, just request one and I'll get one out to you. Thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.